When I seen her drop the shit, I'm like, yeah, this shit a hit. Play it while I'm serving lanes, so say, yeah, you really lit. Damn, you know they on my.
What's up, YouTube? Today is the day. Today is the day. I'm finally out of work. I'm about to go make my way to the shop. Get y'all a little update. Gonna do something that I was supposed to been did a long time ago. Y'all see the merch? I know y'all see the merch. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But I'm about to go ahead and head out. I'm gonna let y'all know when I get there. Let y'all, see that. Also go get a lining and whatever. Just got my hair done. But we're gonna see. Oh, look. It's a short introduction. But I'm gonna let y'all know when I get there. Y'all gonna see where I'm at. Let's get it. All right, so we back, man. As you guessed it, man. Yes, we at the muffler shop, man. Lady Boo right there in the back. Twin back there. You know what I'm saying? You guessed it. We at the muffler shop. I dropped it off 2 hours ago. Don't get me on the line or whatever. About to go see how it sound now.
$135.20 will be fine. Que lo saquen. Sí.
Thank you. Why is you doing? Why is you making all that noise? Why is you making all that noise? Oh my goodness.
Bumper ASAP.
Oh my goodness. Why is you making all that noise like that?
Bumper ASAP.
Why is you making all that noise like that? Why is she making all that noise? Why is she making all of that noise like that? So I did a thing today. Fucking some out. Nah, this bitch loud. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Beam on 0.2. I need to get from over here. Though. I'm in Oakland, Evergreen Park. My folks going. Definitely call the police. Definitely gonna call the popos on me. I'm gonna get y'all the POV when I touch the E-way, really. That's when the fun gonna happen. Cause right now, I'm about 12 and shit. I don't really want 12 to say nothing to me. So, yeah, I'm gonna get y'all the POV when I touch the E-way. I'm finna put the camera down. I'm gonna give y'all the POV when I touch the E-way. Yeah. I need a Kodak intake. I've been slacking on this a lot, bro. I've been tired in the process of moving and all of that. But yeah, Kodak intake, I need it. I need a Kodak intake. I still need to get my bumper. I'm show y'all an update on that. Still need to get my bumper. Cause the one I got right now, I want to sell it. I got a couple rev clips from when we first picked it up. I'll probably insert that in the video, but this video not gonna be too long. I got work today. Y'all probably catch me having fun this weekend or something like that. I'm currently in school for my CDLs, so that's another reason why I have not been outside for real. And another reason why I've been late to a lot of mods. I've been in school for the past 6 weeks, so. Yeah, a lot of the times I'm supposed to be asleep. Then y'all know that 2K25 just came out, so your boy be on 2K trying to grind his play. I got 2 bills right now. I got a stretch 4, and I got a point guard. I think a 2-way 3-level score or some shit like that. Yeah, that's besides the point. Cause a lot of people, I don't know. Some of y'all probably don't even fucking play 2K. Don't even know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I've been grinding my bills and shit, so that, school, plus outside, yeah, it ain't really been a lot of that for real. But y'all finna see me before it get cold outside, bro. My goal is to finish this Jeep before Thanksgiving. Give myself a birthday gift on my birthday. I'm not gonna say what car it is, but if you know me, you follow my page, then you know what car I've been wanting to get. So of course I'm gonna still keep my Jeep. It's my baby. I got plans for it. But my plan is to be done modding all the mods I all the major mods I want to have them done by Thanksgiving, so that by my birthday, which is in January, I can start on my birthday gift. But yeah, that's it for these. I'll probably get a couple more clips, but this pretty much it for me talking. Like, comment, subscribe, and keep supporting. Videos like this can keep coming while I'm spending money on this journey, on this mod, on this project for y'all, for myself obviously, but just recording it, getting footage, not hesitating to up that camera, but I appreciate all the, you know, the engagements I've been getting lately on Instagram. People that follow my Instagram, all the engagements. Like I showed in the video earlier, my hoodie, a lot of people have been subscribing for my hoodie. So if you're new to the channel, you just subscribe, you're new to it. It's not just car content, but, you know, you'll find out sooner than later. It's about to be wintertime. We about to be in the gym getting buckets too. I got some other videos that I still got on the way coming, so bear with me. Like I said, it's some schedule shits going on. But yeah, you feel me? We finna ball, bro. I should have turned the camera on to talk to y'all myself. Hold on. Alright, this kinda dangerous. I should have turned the camera on and talk to y'all myself. Yeah, I was gonna try to turn the camera around. I ain't even gonna do that shit. Yeah. Just enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride, baby. Enjoy the ride. That's it for the video. Like I said, I'm gonna insert some of the clips in here. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what y'all think I should do next. You know what I'm saying? If I already don't got it on my list, let me know what y'all think I should do next. Appreciate y'all. Let's get it.
Dre Mula. TNG shit, man. Y'all know the vibe.